Want to delete all of your chat history in ChatGPT? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, it is important to know that this action to delete all chats is permanent and cannot be undone. To begin, you will need to open a web browser, go to the official ChatGPT website, and log into your account. Or if you have the app, you can open it. After you have logged in, you should look for your profile name in the bottom left corner and click on it. On a website, a small menu will pop up, and from that list you will need to select the Settings option to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you will need to click on the Data Controls tab to find your chat history options. Here you will see a Delete All Chats section. Tap on that. You will need to confirm the action. And that's how you can delete all chats in ChatGPT, a simple way to clear your entire conversation history. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.